Welcome to Module 2 of Solid-State Devices, where we will explore the p-n junction diode and the fascinating world of breakdown phenomena. The diode functions as an electrical energy valve, converting alternating current to direct current by allowing flow in only one direction. Forward bias is like an open valve, and reverse bias is a closed valve. Equilibrium at the p-n junction involves three steps. First, diffusion of electrons and holes. Second, recombination that neutralizes mobile carriers. Third, the resulting fixed ions create a built-in potential, forming the depletion region. Biasing the junction flattens the energy hill. Forward bias opposes the junction field, decreasing barrier width for electron flow. Reverse bias aids the junction field, increasing barrier width and blocking electron flow, except for a tiny leakage current. The diode's IV curve is described by the Shockley equation. Key points include the knee voltage in quadrant 1, reverse saturation current in quadrant 3, and reverse breakdown voltage where the current drastically increases. Junction breakdown phenomena include Zener and Avalanche breakdown. Zener relies on quantum tunneling with very heavy doping, typically below 5 to 6 volts. Avalanche uses impact ionization in light to moderately doped junctions, typically above 6 volts. Diode circuit models abstract the physics for analysis. The first approximation is an ideal switch. The second, or practical model, adds the knee voltage. The third, or complete model, accounts for bulk resistance. At high frequencies, capacitance effects become important. Junction capacitance dominates in reverse bias, as the depletion region acts as a dielectric. Diffusion capacitance dominates in forward bias, caused by the delayed transit time of minority carriers. Understanding the specification sheet is crucial. Parameters like repetitive peak reverse voltage, continuous forward current, and total power dissipation define the diode's operating limits. JEDEC standards provide a consistent way to identify semiconductor devices, such as the 1NYYY format for diodes. Physical markings, like a band, color spot, or tapered edge, indicate polarity, showing the direction of current flow toward the cathode. Specialized diodes are created by altering the standard p-n junction. Examples include the Zener diode for voltage regulation, the Varactor diode, and the Schottky diode for ultra-fast switching. For a challenge, consider deriving the continuity equation for minority carriers under non-uniform illumination and solving for the steady-state excess carrier distribution.